Alam niyo ba na si Ina Raimundo ay nagumpisa noon bilang isang dancer sa isang variety show sa That's Entertainment in the late 1980s? She is best known as her appearance in 1995 San Miguel Beer Television advertisement Sabado Night. Si Ina Raimundo ay na-nominate for the Gavandorian Award for the Best Actress for filming Tuhog, where she portrayed a victim of rape. Ang aktres ay nagpakasal sa Canadian businessman na si Brian Palarnak noong 2003. Masaya silang nagsasama at nagkaroon ng 5 anak. Ina has married to Brian for 24 years now. We're so chill, she shares in her April 2024 cover story.